Today we are going to introduce one design of our cables that is in mass production, C20-dual C19. The plug and the splitter are PVC molding injection. It is the SJT cable rated for 300 voltage and a high capacity current is 30 amps. And we're going to talk about the length and the design of the cables are all customized. If you have any ideas or drawings want to share with us, please contact us anytime. And the most important is that this cable has UL certified. So about the quality of these products can be fully trusted.